Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum, peace and blessings be upon you all. How are you guys? In today's video, I'm going to show you or reveal a place or a website. From this one source itself, you can start making this is where it starts. Okay, if you're really looking for some ideas and inspirations and you want to make money online, this is where it starts. I mean, there are lots of other different ways to make, but this website here is it's a golden resource. Okay, this is where you can start making money from, one of the websites. So from this in this video, the idea is I'm going to show you reveal this website, and of course I'm going to reveal so much more websites. I'm just going to show you how you can make in the range of 25 to 35 or even 50, even $100 just from this one website. Okay, it's like a big gold mine. Okay, that's the real idea behind today's video. Anyway, so if this is your first time watching, this is my channel here. You can see all of my videos are all about make money online. I'm sure any videos you watch, you will get an idea or inspiration to start making money online. That's the whole goal of my channel here. Anyway, so let's see what I'm talking about. What is a website? Okay, so what is the thing? First, go to Google, then type Google News. So the first thing what you see is called news.google.com. Click that one. Here we go. This is the gold mine. Okay, I always told you Google is such a big gold mine, but this Google News, if you know it, it's good. If you don't know, this is it's many of the people's golden secret. That's what I would say. Many people don't even bother it, but if you have seen in your Android phone or any phone, Chrome, your Google, anything which you're using, it keeps on updating with the latest news. So where do they get it? It's all from here. So how are you going to make money from this? Okay, this one web thing, Google News is a place where you get lots of inspirations, ideas, and you can start make money from this. Okay, so what I'm talking about here, you come over here, you can see all the latest world news every 30 minutes or every 1 hour, every few minutes. You keep on see this 3 hours before this news was been updated, this 4 hours ago, 9 hours ago. These are different places where the news keep on updating into this Google News. So this is the place where you're going to get inspiration as well as all the ideas for your content. Okay, this is where the content starts. Okay, that's what I would say. Here we go. Leave the local news. We are just talking about the international stuff. See this business. I'm talking about any niche you want. These are about business ones. Then come to technology. I'm talking in the range see this. All these are all. Why I'm talking is when you want to write a content or you want to write an article or that's the whole concept of this. If you want to do anything, you will always think, where do I go and find it? What is the latest trending? What is the latest technology news? What is the latest business news happening? So this is the place you need to come and try to get this news. See this entertainment. All of them are few hours, few minutes, 55 minutes ago. See this 2 hours ago. This is where you get all the news coming in. Then the sports. Okay, so what are you going or how are you going to make money from this Google News site? Okay, that's the goal. All this information, what do you get? Okay, what you do is you can gather this information in different topics, niches. How are you going to make money? Come back. Now I'm going to show you a few more websites. Each and every website you can make lots of money. The first one is, if you go to Fiverr, what are these people doing? You see this, I will write an SEO optimized blog post. I will write an engaging blog post. I will write a captivate. All these, see this one, $20, $50, $85. Same, go to another, any freelance website. If you go see this, I will write a branded SEO blog for $90. I will write a creative SEO content for $60. How are these people really going to get content ideas? This is one of them. Okay, Google News is just one of them. There are lots of other places where BuzzZoom or lots of other places where you can get article ideas, but this is one of the places. What these people do is they come here and they gather information. If you're going to tell these guys here, which is in Fiverr or any places, that you want an article on health, just what these people do is they go search. See this one, health. In the health news, there will be lots of trending news articles. See this, coronavirus is a pregnant woman. How long does protection for COVID? Whatever the latest news whichever is coming in. See this. Let's see any new ones. I don't know why all of them are COVID ones. Let's see any other ones which is not let's search here. Weight loss. let's see if anything in the new trending ones it just come up. Let's see, slim pause weight loss challenge. Okay, let's see, base weight loss pills, top 10 most effective weight loss 3 hours ago. So somebody has written an article over here. Let's click this one and see it. I'm not telling you here to go and copy everything and try to do it. What I'm trying to say is, from these websites you can really gather information. And what happens is that all these things are all the latest newly released article. So gather information, take some ideas from this. What do you do to gather ideas from this? Open 2-3 articles, gather information from this and put together an article. If you are good at content writing, you know what I'm talking about. You can always read through it and you can write on your own words. That's the first recommended one. All these are all recommended places where you can, these are all actually affiliate. I do promote this offer actually. Okay, so this is one of the best weight loss pills. I do promote one of my weight loss niche. I promote this article, I promote this product. Anyway, so idea is you get information how to write an article. Come here, read through it, write on your own words. You can start selling that as your own gig in these places. See, this is a Fiverr, in Quicken Gigs, so many places are there. Same like this. What I'm trying to say is, in case if you're telling me I don't know how to, I can only copyright. Okay, if you think you're not good at writing your own content writing, then what you do is copy few of the articles, go to a place called Spinbot. My favorite is only Spin Rewriter. This is my original. This is my favorite article spinner, which is my. It's a paid one. This is a paid one. Whenever I want to quickly write an article, I just copy paste, put it here, rewrite it and submit it. Okay, I do that one. Okay, but if you don't want to pay, you go for the paid one. Go for the free one, which is called Spinbot. So you gather some articles, come and put it here, paste it here, rewrite it and go and submit it. Okay, this is another way to do it if you tell me that you're not good in content writing. Okay, but what's the most important thing is, this Google News site is a place where you get that ideas, inspirations and content ideas for you. You can even use that content, but make sure you don't really copy everything. Try to change the words and be unique. You get the latest like 4 hours ago, 3 hours ago. That means these articles are all really trending. So you have a very good chance of getting a new article out of it and then start going and selling in these places. Okay, whichever the niche you're choosing from. If not, there are other places. I'll tell you. This is like, I'm not going to go through each and every websites, how to sign up and stuff. These are all the places where they accept articles. They pay you like $1 per word, like $1 might be like you be able to get like like it depends upon the quality of the article. Okay, that's the most important thing. But still, I'm telling you, if you are good at content writing, these are all the places where really you can make money. You can go like, some are like they pay you like 30 cents per word, something like that. But maximum like $1 per word. This is one of the websites, Sierra Club. Then this one here, JSTOR, so dailyjstor.org. That's the other website. This I'm just showing you few examples. Okay, I'm not telling you go only on this. There are lots of places. I'm going to show you one website where you can get lots of ideas. Let me show you that one. So this is the place. Where is that one? Moneypantry.com. I have done this before itself. This is the place I do come to get ideas of how to make money in different niches. See this, get paid to blog about anything. These are all the places. They give you a list of websites where you can go and submit an article and get paid. Okay, that's how powerful this is. See this, if you know about vacation and travel, you can write an article, $150 per post. Wanderlust, that is also a travel blog. You get this much, $220 per post. Of course, I'm not telling you this is all like for 1,000 words. What I'm trying to tell you is, there are lots and lots of places where you can start making money just by submitting articles. You can writing content. If you're really good in writing content, that's the way. If you're not good at, go for the Spinbot style, Spin Rewriter, but it's not going to be that effective. But still, you can go make money, but it's going to be a little less. See the Great Escape Publishing. Alaska Airlines magazine. There are this is like travel, which we just showed you now. Okay, so there are lots and lots of ideas you get from Google News site, which is like you can choose business, technology, entertainment, sports, travel, whatever it is. Try to get ideas of the latest trending articles. Go to these places. If you really want, you just type a comment below. I'll do an individual. I have done a video on Quicken Gigs before. I've done I think I've done on Fiverr before. So it's like there are different places where people start making money just by submitting articles or selling as a gig. like what you see. There are like humpty number of websites. You can see this if you come to my channel here. See this one here, this freelance, this one video where I show you like 10 freelance websites. These are all websites where they also pay you money for writing, selling your gigs, for writing articles like SEO blogs. So like this is like what I'm trying to say is I'm just giving in one idea alone, just a small idea of writing article. But with this information what you have with this Google News, you can do lots and lots of things. I'm telling you guys, lots of people are really desperate for contents. The people are 24/7 on the phone looking for ideas and what to read, how to make money. Like just imagine how to lose weight. There are lots of things which they're looking for, and if you can give them good content, you are really make money. I'm telling you, it's like one of the golden in the future. This is going to be like one of the most wanted jobs, content writing. Okay, and this is some place where you can kickstart your content writing journey from Google News place. Okay, this is basically a place where you get inspiration, and if you're good at writing, you can rewrite entire article by your own. If not, go the Spinbot route, but that's not going to be much effective, but still you can make money out of it. So that's the whole concept, guys, about today's video is how to make money out of Google by Google News actually. So it's like Google, I always say it's a golden place, and this side which I showed you, Google News, is like the head above everything. Okay, there are people who create Google News websites. Okay, they get approval from Google News, and they have a separate websites only on technology. They have a separate news website only on whichever, like make money online, or which is just technology, and they start making money with that. That's it, guys. I don't want to take lots of your time. The idea about this video is how to make money out of Google, and mainly about Google News and with content writing. That's it. If you learned something new today, just comment below, and if you have any doubts also, just comment below. I'll reply to it. And if you're really first time watching this, make sure you subscribe and hit that bell icon so you get notified whenever I do new video. Thanks a lot, guys. Thanks a lot for your time. See you in the next one. Bye.